Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces people, in this reading, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, and then we'll proceed with your readings. So this is your current energy, Pisces, and this is your partner's current energy. Justice. Pisces, you are being at this position in your life that you want justice from the other person. You want justice from somebody. It could be your person, it could be your family member, it could be anyone. You want justice. And on this position on which you are, it seems like you have the authority to pass some statements, to pass some verdicts. Alright? And for some of you Pisces, it seems like you are going through some legal procedures are going on for you. This could be a divorce situation for some of you. This could be a legal separation for some of you. Something is there, okay? But majorly I feel that you are at this point of time in life, you are asking for justice, and you being the judge, you are passing your verdicts, you are passing your commands to people, okay? And those who are not who are not obeying you, you are not afraid to cut their throat. Oh God, that was so filmy. Now let's see what is the current energy of your partner. 4 of Wands. Wow. Your person must be enjoying the best time of their life. Okay, I'm seeing something big celebration for them. Okay, perhaps this person is manifesting you, or I could feel that perhaps this person must be, I think that there is some kind of a celebration in their home. This could be related to them. I'm seeing some marriage function is happening. What is it? What is it? I think they are cheating on you, Pisces. Perhaps they are getting married to somewhere else. Or plus for most of them, this is a manifestation card. Perhaps whatever they had manifested is going to take shape now. But most of the time, mostly I feel that this person is cheating on you. There is a celebration time for them. There is a celebration time in their family. There is a lot of gathering happening for them, and this thing is not related specifically for marriage and engagement thing, but yes, perhaps they are enjoying the best time of their career. This could also happen. Okay, now let's see, Pisces, what you think about them, what they think about you, and what actions you guys are going to take towards each other. What do you think about them? What actions you can take towards them, what they think about you, and what actions they can take towards you. Stress. You think this person is in some stressful condition, and that is completely because of them only. This person can, free themselves any moment, but this person has taken the stress on their own. So according to you, this person is someone who takes stress unnecessarily. Alright, what actions you can take towards them? Nothing. You are not taking any actions. Pisces, you being the warrior, Pisces, you are being the lion, but you are abide by your own situations. You are abide by your own family circumstances. You are abide by your own conditions. That's why you are unable to take some steps towards this person. Rebirth. This person sees you as somebody that who has gone through some transformation, okay? Pisces being the water sign, the most delicate sign of the zodiac's table, you have grown a lot, okay? And that your person has noticed in you. You being somebody who was always lovey-dovey kind of person, now you are asking for justice. Now you are passing your verdicts for the people. You have evolved tremendously, Pisces. Alright, and that's how your person sees you. The current actions which they can take towards you is flowering. This person is not taking any action towards you, but yes, they intend to take actions towards you. And when they are going to take an action towards you, no one can say. But they have some intentions to talk to you, to be with you, to, you know, to share their emotions, share their heart with you. But when they are going to coming to confess, or when they are going to come to you, nobody knows. Alright? Now let's see what actions or what angels wants to tell you. What is the angel's message for you? Communicate clearly. Angels wants you to communicate your desires, your wishes, your dreams in front of your person in a very clear manner. What you want, just tell them. Do not, you know, roam around that I want this, no, I want that. No, say what you want to say. Okay, just be very clear that I want this thing in my in this relationship, I want this thing from you, and that's it. Okay. Alright, so Pisces, we have Libra, so some of you could be dealing with Libra. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading. We have earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also. Okay, alright. So Pisces people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you and goodbye.